Hello, beautiful souls. This is your heart chakra reading for the week. It's just a little 3-card spread to give you a little enlightenment for the day and help you attune to the needs of this chakra. We will bring in a few more cards from other chakras to help evolve where this chakra is at as well. So our first card out is going to be right in the center. It's from the Rumi Oracle, and it's the Amaryllis Lute. Actually, I take that back. We are going to have Passion of the Wild Red Mother from the Rumi Oracle. You, O blazing angel, are being invited by the Wild Red Mother to participate in the dance of divine passion. You may be an activist, a poet, an advocate for justice, or a writer. Content in your own world of dreams. Content in your own world of dreams. Or perhaps you are a healer, devoted to the liberation of the suffering of others and hungry to commune with ancient wisdom. Perhaps you are all of these or some other exquisite holy energy. Whatever your nature, there is passion in your heart, a fire for something more powerful than fear that can become the fuel for your life journey. If you accept the invitation of the Wild Red Mother, of course. This is the invitation to lay aside despair, to lay aside doubt in the capacity of the human heart, even your frustration and impatience. It is time to quit whipping yourself and others, no matter how noble the intention behind the whip may be, and start dancing instead. Will you join her, the Wild Red Mother, in her exuberant play? You can choose to lead through joy, to heal through love, to transform suffering into what is meant to be, the crucible through which ecstasy reveals itself. You do not have to analyze, to stay in the throes of process and ordered stages. You can just choose this passionate path now. If you wish, if you are ready, it is open to you. Will you accept? And let's take some of the message from the Kuan Yin Oracle representing the Dolphin Matrix Chakra. This is where we have the Amaryllis Lute. Just as a musical instrument can play notes at higher or lower vibrations, your own vibration is being refined as you are growing so fast spiritually. This is wonderful. Be brave as you trust that you are allowed indeed. You are spiritually encouraged to allow your vibration to continue rising, even though that sometimes means leaving people, places, situations, and things behind. Some people and situations will grow with you at an equal pace. Others will meet you in the next upward spiral of your unfolding consciousness and life path, and still others will weigh you down. And you will need to let them go so that they may live their own destiny according to their own choices and timing. The more you allow yourself to raise your vibration, to shine victorious in your journey from fear to peace, the more you will be able to benefit from the quick unfoldment of your higher destiny in your life. The Amaryllis Lute calls you upward into your own soul vibration. This healing instrument of the Divine Mother Goddess Kuan Yin sounds within your cells, helping you continue to raise your vibration into peace. And our final message out will be representing the Spirit Chakra from the Spirit Messages deck. And we have studied today Spirit has its own special way of letting you know that it's time to study again. From time to time, it's important to go back and learn, whether that's learning old things in a new way or learning something totally new. This is an opportunity to expand your mind. This card is your sign that yes, it's time to commit to a period of new learning and study. Spirit is telling you how vital it is to never stop growing and challenging yourself throughout life. Your ability and desire to work toward a goal will not only expand your mind and consciousness, but also help you grow as an individual. New learning and study comes in many ways and forms. For example, you may want to enroll in an evening course or take time out of your busy schedule to attend a full week's workshop, whether it's something purely practical or more spiritual. This card is Spirit's way of saying, the moment is here and you're ready to expand your mind. So whether it's a book you've been meaning to study or that class you've wanted to go to, start today and take this card as confirmation that the timing is right. Then watch the ways in which your life changes and grows with a new learning. By expanding your mind, a whole new direction or path may unfold with boundless opportunities. We have concluded the little mini reading for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow I will be releasing the Heart Chakra reading if it's not already out. Wishing you many, many blessings. Please remember to go out under the stars when you can. And hoping that you'll join me again soon. Thanks so much.